A little bit of fun. All I want you to do is start to think about your pistol squat. So no shoes on should make this one a little bit more difficult. So drive the foot forward, reach forward for your toe, grab your toe, come down. And if here you need to just sit, then I'm good with that. And then just bring yourself back up into standing. But I want you to feel that all that's going to happen, the worst that's going to happen is you to sit. So, straighten the leg, reach for the toe, drop the body forward, and then if you need to, come into sitting. Don't worry about getting up. Just think about going down and getting used to that feeling of a pistol. Grab the toe, good Lou, good, yes, great. Pistol squats, go on Liz, give it a go. So what you've got to do is really think about reaching forward and bending the opposite leg. If you can then, some of you might want to have a try at coming back up. Okay, so leg forward, reach forward, grab towards your toe, come down and sit back and then go again. Try the other side. My one leg is definitely better than the other. Doesn't matter what happens at the bottom because all you're going to do is end up sitting on your butt. Put a cushion under your leg if you need to. Good, Gailby. Yes. Oh, oh, oh! So close. Stick a cushion under your butt and you've got less further to fall. But it's about trusting. Good, Lou. Really good. It's about trusting yourself to know that the bent leg can come through this position. Then when you get to the bottom, grab the toe and drive through that leg to stand up again. And all this takes is a little bit of confidence and a little bit of practice. So 3 or 4 more on each side. Find out which is your good side. Really good to do these without shoes on. Reaching for your toe really encourages you to get a good position.